Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the different types of questions on coding decoding. Before starting this video, you can go up to my previous video and watch tips and tricks for coding decoding and then continue for this video. The link for that video is given in the description box. So my video till end, must subscribe my YouTube channel Target Riders and also click on bell icon so that you will get my notification very first, and also hit like button. If you have any kind of queries, then ask in the comment box. So let's start with the first question. If marble is coded as PDUEOH, then how will gin be coded as? So let's solve this question. Firstly, write the word marble. Then below word marble, write it down their coded word. We learn the position from the tips and tricks of the coding decoding, that M is at 13th position, A is at 1, R is at 17, B is at 2 position, L is at 12 position, E is at 5th position. P is at 16th position from Prince 16, D is at 4th position, U is at 19th position, E is at 5, O is at 15th position, H is at 8th position. So what's the difference between M and P is 3. So plus 3, and in this is also again plus 3. So according to this coded, we will write the coded form of gin. Firstly, write it down the word gin. G is at 7th position, I is at 9, N is at 14th position. So if we add plus 3 in 7, so it 10. At 10th position, J is placed. 9 plus 3 is 12. At 12 position, L, and 14 plus 3 is 17. At 17 position, Q is placed. This is the coded form of gin. So option C is right for this question. The second question is, if rose is coded as 6259, harm is coded as 4367, what will the code for the share? So let's solve this question. Firstly, write the code of rose 6259, and code for harm is 4367. So we find the code of share. See, R is coded as 6, O is coded as 2, S is coded as 5, E is coded as 9. H is coded as 4, A is coded as 3, R is coded as 6, M is coded as 7. So find out the code for share. See, R is at 6th position in rows, and the same coded for the R is in harm is 6. So for sure R's code is 6, S code is 5, H code is 4, A is coded at 3 in harm, and E coded at 9 in rows. So code for share is 54369. So option A is right for this question. The third question is, if Bhumi is coded as YSLNR, then how will remove be coded as? So let's solve this question. Firstly, write the word Bhumi, and in this B is coded as Y, H is coded as S, O is coded as L, M is coded as N, I is coded as R. See, we are learn in the tips and tricks for coding and decoding that B is reversing of Y, H is reversing of S, O is at reversing position of L, M is reversing position of N, and I is reversing position of R. So from this code we write the coded form for remove. So as we know, R's reverse position is I's reverse position is R, reverse position for M is N, and U's reversing position is F. So the coded form of remove is IRNF. So option B is right for this question. Now the fourth question is, in a certain code language, who are you is written as 432, they is you is written as 485, they are dangerous written as 295. How is dangerous written in that code language? So now solve this question. Firstly, write the coded language for who are you is 432. They is you is written as 485. They are dangerous is written as 295. These types of questions is solved in this way that firstly compare these two lines and find out the same word from coded language, and like u is at same and in coded language 4 is at same, so u is coded as 4, and then compare these two lines. In these two lines they is same, and from coded part 5 is same from these two lines, so they is coded as 5. Then compare first and third line. So which word is same? R is same in both lines, and in coded 2 is same, so R is coded as 2. And according to the question we find the code for the dangerous word is in line third. Then the code for dangerous is 9, because 9 is left in this line, so option D is right for this question. These are the different types of questions for coding and decoding. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and also comment that how's the video and ask your queries if you have any.